The next train to arrive on the outbound platform is for YVR Air.
Courtesy phone for a message. Customer information is paging. Carly McDonald.
To Lynx Air Flight 115 with service to Kelowna. We will begin boarding in a few moments. Please have your boarding passes ready. All passengers over 17 must have their photo ID open for presentation. Thank you for your cooperation. We wish you a pleasant flight. This is a boarding announcement for Lynx Air Flight 115 with service to Kelowna. We would now like to invite passengers seated in rows 1 and higher to board through gate B27. We would like to remind all eligible passengers that they may board now or at their leisure through the priority boarding lane. Please have your boarding passes ready. All passengers over 17 must have their photo ID open for presentation.
Welcome on board. To expedite with our boarding process, once you reach your assigned seat, please step into your row to allow passengers to proceed to their seat. Thank you for your cooperation.
Aboard Lynx Flight 115, service to Kelowna, and continue on to service to Calgary. We're just waiting for a couple more passengers. Do apologize for the delay. We had to get de-iced initially in Calgary this morning, so that's what delayed us. So we're trying to make up the time as best we can. A bit of a long taxi for us. Once we do get airborne, flight plan to 35,000 feet. 39 minutes. We're going to keep you seated. We have a little bit of weather to the east of Vancouver. As a result, there may be a couple bumps, but we may have to limit the service as well. Nice day in Kelowna. Temperatures +7, just some scattered cloud and light winds. Thanks for joining us. Sit back, relax, enjoy the flight. Be back to your work. Thank you.
left the seatbelt sign on. For your continued safety, please ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened and refrain from moving about the cabin and using the washroom at this time. If the seatbelt sign should be turned off during our flight, we recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened in case of unexpected turbulence. We would like to remind you that smoking is not permitted on our flight, which includes e-cigarettes and vape sticks. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying the smoke detector located in the lavatories is prohibited by law. As well as consumption of your own alcohol is not permitted. Welcome. Please remain seated with your seat belt fastened and carry-on baggage stowed until the aircraft has been parked at the gate and the seat belt sign has been turned off. At this time, you may use your cellular phones if you wish. Please exercise caution when opening the overhead bins as items may have shifted during the flight. Please take all personal belongings with you. We would like to remind you that smoking is only permitted once you are outside the terminal and in a designated smoking area. If you require deplaning assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Our cabin crew will be pleased to assist you. On behalf of Lynx Air and the entire crew, I'd like to thank you for joining us on this trip, and we are looking forward to seeing you on board again in the near future. Have a nice day.